Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can view SIM card messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the text messaging app. In here, tap on the option key. From the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on advanced. In advanced, tap on SIM card messages, and in here you see that there is one text message saved on the SIM card at the moment, and if you have more, you will be able to view more text messages in here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.